Find the HCF of the given polynomials. Here in the first polynomial 6 is a common term and in the second polynomial 3 is a common term. So take the HCF of 6 and 3 which is equal to 3 and that is given in all the option. Now take 6 outside from the first polynomial, then coefficient will become 1, minus 5, plus 10 and minus 8. In the second polynomial take 3 outside, then coefficient will become 1, minus 4, plus 7 and minus 6. Now in the first polynomial x cube is first time and minus 8 is last time. If you take x minus 2 the whole cube, x cube is first time and minus 8 is last time, but we are not sure about the middle term. So instead of doing in this method, use the option verification. In option x minus 1 is given as factor. Here HCF means we have to find the common factor of these two terms. X minus 1 is common factor means these two polynomials should be divisible by x minus 1. So x minus 1 as factor means x should be 1 here. Either you put the value of x as 1 here or use the Vedic math method. In Vedic math method, you have to take divisor as 1 here. That is to check whether these polynomials are divisible by x minus 1. You have to put the divisor value as 1. Now, instead of taking x cube minus 5x square plus 10x minus 8, take the coefficient as dividend. That is 1, minus 5, plus 10 and minus 8. Now write the first coefficient as it is here. Now 1 into 1 is 1, write it here. Minus 5 plus 1 is equal to minus 4. Minus 4 into 1 is equal to minus 4, write it here. 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. 6 into 1 is 6, write it here. Minus 8 plus 6 is equal to minus 2. Now you got remainder as 2 here. If the remainder is 0, this is divisible by x minus 1. But here remainder is minus 2, not divisible by x minus 1. So x minus 1 is not included in HCF. That is, here this first polynomial is not divisible by x minus 1 because we could remainder as 2. Which means HCF should not include x minus 1. So you can also eliminate option D as well. Option D also include x minus 1. Now if you look at this, here x cube minus 3x plus 2 is a factor, which means x cube should be 3x minus 2. If you put the value of x as 1, 1 cube is equal to 3 minus 2, which is correct. Which means here x is equal to 1 means x minus 1 is a factor. That is, in this x cube minus 3x plus 2, x minus 1 is a factor. Which means here HCF include x minus 1 means option B also eliminated. So option C is your answer. Now, if you want to check whether x minus 2 is a factor, write dividends here. That is 1, minus 5, plus 10, minus 8. Now, here x minus 2 is factor means x should be 2 here. Now, put the value of divisor as 2 here. And write first coefficient as it is. That is 1 here. Now, 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Write it here. Minus 5 plus 2 is equal to minus 3. Minus 3 into 2 is equal to minus 6. Write it here. 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. 4 into 2 is equal to 8. So here you got 0 as remainder. Here remainder is 0. Which means this first polynomial is divisible by x minus 2. Now in the case of second polynomial, write the coefficient. That is 1, minus 4, plus 7 and minus 6. Now divisor is 2. Write the first coefficient as it is. 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Write it here. Minus 4 plus 2 is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 into plus 2 is equal to minus 4. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. 3 into 2 is equal to 6. So you got remainder as 0 here. Here in this case also remainder is 0. Which means the second polynomial is also divisible by x minus 2. So your answer is option C. HCF is equal to 3 into x minus 2. The GCD and LCM of two polynomials are x plus 1 and x raised to 6 minus 1 respectively. If one of the polynomials is x cube plus 1, find the other. Here GCD is same as HCF. That is, greatest common divisor is same as highest common factor. Now product of any two polynomials is equal to product of their HCF and LCM. That is, product of any two numbers equal to product of their HCF and LCM. So here one polynomial is given as x cube plus 1 and other polynomial take it as p2. Now product of these two should be equal to product of their HCF and LCM, which is x plus 1 into x raised to 6 minus 1. Now, here x raised to minus 1 is in the form of x square minus b square, which is a plus b into a minus b. So, I can write x raised to 6 minus 1 as x cube minus 1 into x cube plus 1. Now, x cube plus 1 and x cube plus 1 cancel each other. So, remaining P2 is equal to x plus 1 into x cube minus 1. So, option B is your answer. Here, HCF of two polynomials is given. So, we have to find their LCM. Either you can use digital sum method here, or you can use the equation, that is product of these two polynomials, that is P1 into P2 is equal to product of their HCF and LCM. So, HCF into LCM is equal to product of these two polynomials. If you are using the second method, LCM is equal to P1 P2 divided by HCF is x square plus 5x plus 7. Now, here if you look at the option, this term is constant. This term is equal to second polynomial. So, P2 is not changing in LCM. P2 is not changing means here x square plus 5x plus 7 cancel with the first polynomial. That is x square plus 5x plus 7 as a factor of first polynomial. Now, 7 into plus 8 will give you 56. If you look at the option, here plus 8 we have in option A and plus 8 we have in option C. And x square 2x is not changing, but plus or minus are varying. So, x square into x square will give you x raised to 4. And here we need middle term. We know this is 2 plus or minus 2x. Here, x square means x into x will give you x square. And x square into constant will give you x square. So, here x square into 8 is equal to 8x square and x square into 7 is equal to 7x square. And here 5x into 2x is equal to 10x square. Now, if it is minus 2x, then this will become minus 10x square, which means we got plus 5x square. Here we have plus 5x square. So, this should be minus 2x. So, option C is your answer. Same way, if you are looking for x cube is equal to x into x square. So, here x square into minus 2x is equal to minus 2x cube, and here x square into plus 5x is equal to plus 5x cube. Now, you can see this is equal to plus 3x cube, which is given here. So, that is also cancelled. Same way, x into constant will give you 26x. That is, here 5x into 8 is equal to 40x, and here minus 2x into 7 is equal to minus 14x, which will give you 26x. Just for your understanding. You don't have to calculate all these things. You just need to calculate any one of this middle term. Now, if you are using the digital sum method, just find the digital sum of these four terms. To find the digital sum, put the value of x as 1 here and find the digital sum. Here x is a variable, so x can have any value. Now, digital sum of HCF is equal to 1 plus 5 plus 7. 1 plus 5 plus 7, which is equal to 12 plus 1, 13. So, 1 plus 3, 4 is the digital sum of HCF here. 4 is the digital sum of HCF. Now, find the digital sum of first polynomial. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 2 plus 6 is 8. 5 plus 6, 11. So, 1 plus 1, 2 is the digital sum of 56. Now, 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 1, 9 cancel. 8 plus 2 is 10. So, 1 is the digital sum of first polynomial. Now, in the case of second polynomial, this is 1. 1 plus 2 minus 4 minus 1 plus 2 plus 8 is 10. So, 1 is the digital sum of 28. Now, this is equal to 3 minus 4 minus 1. Minus 1 is the digital sum, means whenever you have negative number as digital sum, just add 9 to it. That is 9 plus minus 1 will give you 8. That is, just add 9 to it. Minus 1 plus 9 is equal to 8. So 8 is the digit sum of second polynomial, which means here digit sum of LCM should be 4 goes 2 times in 8. 2 is the digit sum of LCM. So check in the option. Here, this is the second polynomial. So here digit sum is 8 for second polynomial. Now in the first case, here 8 plus 1 is 9. So 2 is the digit sum. 8 into 2 is equal to 16. 16 means 1 plus 6, 7 is the digit sum. 1 plus 6, 7 is the digital sum. Here this is equal to 2 plus 1, 3. 3 minus 8 is equal to minus 5. Minus 5 means 4 is the digit sum. Minus 5 plus 9 is equal to 4. So 4 into 8 is equal to 32. 32 means 5 is the digit sum. Now here we have 8 plus 1, 9. So minus 2 is the digital sum means 7 is the digital sum. So 7 into 8 will give you 56. 56 means 5 plus 6, 11. So 1 plus 1, 2 is the digital sum. This is our answer. If you look at this one, this is 8 into here minus 8. Minus 2 is minus 10. Minus 10 plus 1 is equal to minus 9. Minus 9 digital sum means minus 9 plus 9 is equal to 0. 0 means 9 is the digital sum. So 9 into 8 will give you 72. 72 means 7 plus 2, 9 is the digital sum. So here option C is your answer.